This is the LMF2. When you're looking for a fixed blade knife, LMF2 is where it's at. Drop point blade, serrated edge, really thick, ergonomic to your hand, spike pommel. The LMF2 was originally designed to get aircrew out of a downed aircraft by cutting their way out or breaking their way out. Non-conductive handle, if you got to cut wires, it's not going to electrocute you. Designed with 3 holes so that you can create a lashing and actually create a spear with it. Tell you what, this was coming at you, you're in trouble. It wouldn't be right to have a heavy-duty knife without a heavy-duty sheath. This sheath right here has MOLLE attachments for your vest, belt loop to put on your belt. Knife comes in and out both ways. Even comes with a sharpener. So if you're in the field, your knife gets dull, get it sharp, get right back on task. Made in America, right here in Portland, Oregon. This is the LMF2.
CRKT.
The M21-14SF, designed by Kit Carson, has an AUS-8 high-carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The deep-bellied spear point blade comes with combined razor-sharp and triple-point serrations. The hard anodized 6061 aluminum handles have contoured scales with a perimeter radius for exceptional grip. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The knife features a 4-position clip. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The M21 Special Forces series is specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.
This is the Schrade SCH F52 Frontier Fixed Blade Bushcraft Survival Knife, one of 2 blades in the SCH F52 series. With 7 inches of razor-sharp wilderness-taming edge, the SCH F52 is crafted from tough, edge-retaining 1095 high-carbon steel. The full fine edge rises from below and drops from the spine to form a rugged and pointy tip, ready for any drilling, piercing, or precision slicing task. The full tang blade is coated with scratch and friction-reducing PTFE, which helps the SCH F52 Frontier glide through feathering, cutting, chopping, and bushcraft batoning tasks. The ergonomic grip is fashioned to perfectly fit the human hand, and the TPE handle slabs further increase comfort in grip while reducing hot spots that can cause blisters. A sizable finger choil makes detailed work a breeze, while the pommel end hand guard keeps grip firm when unleashing the chopping power of the 7-inch blade. Crush and smash objects with the hammer end and lash cordage through the lanyard hole for added security. Sharpen the SCH F52 Frontier with the diamond stone that travels with blaze-sparking fire steel and a striker in the front pocket of the black heavy-duty woven fabric sheath. Slide the full length of the knife into the protective sheath and secure with the adjustable handle strap for safe travel. Carry the knife on any belt using the adjustable rear loop. Backcountry, bushcraft ready, forged from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH F52 Frontier Fixed Blade Survival Knife. Find the SCH F52 with TPE handle and the SCH F52M with micarta handle online or at your favorite local retailer.